Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video we got something early, the Air Jordan 3 UNC. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Levitate Style. I post daily men's fashion and travel content there, so follow along. Alright guys, I'm really excited for this. This is definitely one of those pairs I've been really looking forward to this year. And here's the box. This is my first time looking at this as well. Here is the UNC Carolina Blue Jordan 3s, and you got this really nice box here, the Jordan 3 Carolina Blue color, and then you got the cement color all over on the bottom. I really love the shoebox design, by the way. It looks really nice and clean. So here it is. Okay. Oh, the inside of the box is red. Okay. You got the cement print paper. Ooh. Here it is. Okay. Here it is, Jordan 3 UNC, North Carolina here. I got these early from StockX. This is definitely not sponsored. I found these on sale on the app early, so I wanted to get my hands on them so I can make this video as soon as I can for you guys. I will put the link in the video description so you can definitely go check it out and get an early pair for yourself as well. So here it is, the Jordan 3 cement colorway in the UNC. These are really nice and clean. Like, this is just perfect for the spring and summer season. Like, look at the color. It's really nice and fresh. Normally this style has only been available to the UNC team exclusively, player exclusive. So it's really nice that they released this to the general public. So looking around the shoe here, you got the classic cement print. So you got this really nice Carolina blue here on the laces here, and also the Jumpman. Also around the sneaker, you also see navy blue, because I think that's the second color in the team color. So you got the navy blue in the Jumpman Air on the back. On the bottom, you also got this navy blue with the gray and this baby blue here. And then also on the tongue, is on the inside, it is also navy blue. For both these pairs, on the tongue here on the inside, it says heart and soul in this red color. And I really love that little detail. And another really cool part is on the inside, on the insole, it has this like Jordan tag that you see on college jerseys. This is the general release pair, but I was just checking on StockX how much the actual player exclusive pair is, which the main difference is like the logo on the top here that says like the team logo. The cheapest one, a size 13, is almost $4,000. And if you look at other sizes, anywhere from like 10,000 to 6,000, that's crazy. So to be able to get a pair like this for retail, this is definitely a must. Now I really love this colorway because the white and the baby blue, like that is gonna be so easy to wear in the spring and summer season. So I'm gonna put together a few different outfits to show you guys how to wear these, the tailored hype style. So mixing in some tailored menswear pieces to dress these sneakers up. It's gonna look like an NBA style type of outfits that's really well put together and sharp to style these out. So obviously, like, you got a lot of nice light blue color. This is gonna work really well with light blue denim jacket like this, you know, faded blue ripped jeans type of outfit. Like, that's gonna look really nice with these. It's gonna be so easy to style these guys. Second part in this video, I'm gonna show you guys a quick comparison between the two Jordan 3s. Now in this hand, I have the True Blue 3s, the classic True Blue 3s here, and side by side with this new pair of UNC. And overall, I mean, obviously pretty similar colorways. The main difference is the baby blue color. This is definitely much more closer to the classic white cement 3s. Much cleaner, a lot less going on, really just sticking to the main blue color here. Another thing I'm noticing with the new Jordan 3 releases is that these are a lot slimmer and they look like they run a little bit longer as well. Also the padding, I've talked about this in another video with the Chicago 3s. This is much more padding around the ankle here. But this one feels, I don't know, like I don't know why they made them like this. This is my main problem with the Jordan 3 right now. This is so thin. It's like paper thin, if you will, compared to this. This is so much cushion happening. You can see that, like I can literally grab on to the whole cushion. Here it's just like thin. And overall it makes the sneaker like way less structure and like slimmer in that way. I think height wise they're about the same. So here you have the Nike Air for the True Blue and you have the Jordan Jumpman here on the back here. The height is about the same, but like I said, the main difference is the width. You can see the True Blue 3 here. This is definitely wider than the new one. The elephant cement print here, this is a lot shorter than the original pairs, and like it's also smaller and thinner. So that's a major difference here on the shoe. It doesn't bother me that much, but just wanted to let you guys know that it is a pretty big difference when you put it side by side. Another thing is the bottom. So the UNC says Jordan, whereas the True Blue here, this one says Nike on the bottom. Another major difference on these on the tongue is the Jumpman. If you can see this closer, this Jumpman is like completely stitched and it like pops out. So actually really interesting detail that's very different. This one, it's just more like it's just stitched on top of the leather, but this you can really visibly see that it's like popped out completely. And then this is also like outlined by like a navy blue color. So it really pops when you're wearing them on feet. Overall, I really love this colorway. I love that Jordan's bringing back a lot of Jordan 3s. It's a classic. And bringing these colorways that are basically general release and it's not super hype so everybody can get a pair. Normally I'm 11. I think I actually need a size back down to 10.5 for these guys. But all in all, it's a really nice pair. So definitely check out the outfits. All right guys, so for the first outfit, I'm going with this classic spring look. Your double denim. You guys already probably have a denim jacket and of course some blue denim around. And this is well known as the double denim, wearing both blue denim up and the bottom. For you guys, you can easily swap this in and out with different colored denim jacket or jeans to break things up. But for this look, we're gonna go with this double denim look, blue on blue. Now, of course, this is to match the blue in the Air Jordan sneaker here. For my top, this jacket is from Levi's. This is my go-to trucker jacket, and I love that it's a little bit different. It's got this like splattered paint and like this bleached out look. And then, of course, to have more fun with personalizing your jacket, I like to put pins on my denim jacket here. So this jacket is definitely great. I think everybody should have one in their closet. So this will pair with the shoes really well. For my shirt, I'm going with a navy t-shirt. This is going to be my go-to t-shirt base layer here for the video. And then for the jeans, these are my go-to ripped light blue jeans from Express. And I love that this is like a skinny, slim fit. So it actually fits really well. And when it comes to jeans, it's all about fit. So these jeans is really nicely tapered to my ankle. It's a nice slim cut. So that really shows off the sneaker properly. Now for my watch, I want to go with something a little bit more sporty. So I went with this steel band. This is a watch from Movado. And I love the blue face color on this watch. That blue just kind of pulls in and matches with everything in the outfit, but not going too much, not too bold, not too overboard. And then for my sunglasses, these are my Perso sunglasses, and another just casual but really sharp sunglasses that you can wear. These ones, I think this is the Steve McQueen edition as well. And these are black frame with blue tinted glass. So again, just another color piece that I figured why not try to match everything together. And overall, everything goes really well together. Nothing screams out too much. It's just a nice, clean outfit. All right, now for my second outfit, this time I'm going with a bomber jacket. Now for this bomber jacket, this one is a little bit special. I just got this one from the NBA All-Star Weekend, but I just love this baby blue color. The blue really matches with the sneaker perfectly, and I just love that it is actually a jacket by Nike, but it looks really nice and sharp. I love the details on the sleeves and on the collar there. So you have this varsity stripe, the black and the white. So the white matches with the sneaker. And then also you have some details on the jacket, kind of like the NBA logo with the All-Star. So you have this like red and the blue, and that kind of matches the sneaker as well. There's also little details like the Nike check, which I think, you know, it's a Nike jacket, but it's like really nicely done. On the back, you have All-Star on the back, and the colors again just matches really well with the shoes. This bomber jacket is a great go-to look for the spring and summer season. This is when the temperature is just right for this kind of jacket. I'm sure you can find really similar ones, and I'll have similar ones linked in the item description. Again, I'm going with just a base layer of a t-shirt. I want to show you guys how to wear a t-shirt just really like anytime. For the bottom this time, I'm going with some white jeans. And these white jeans I got from Polo Ralph Lauren, another great brand that I really love. I just really love that you can mix sneakers and streetwear with Polo Ralph Lauren because the brand has so many versatile pieces. I mean, here, this is just a nice go-to white pair of jeans here. I love that it's not super slim fit, but it's still nicely tailored. And on the bottom of your jeans, instead of cutting your jeans or getting it tailored, you can easily just fold it once or twice. That way you let your ankle show, and you can also really show off the sneakers. All in all, just a really clean look, you know, going with a blue jacket with a white pair of jeans. And then for the watch, I'm going with this navy band, navy face watch from Tissot. If you guys didn't know, Tissot is actually an NBA sponsor. So I just love the connection between basketball and watches. This is just another beautiful watch I've had in my collection for a few years now. And then for the sunglasses, I went with these reflective frames. These are from Tom Ford. And I like the reflective because it kind of reminds you of like the white and silver colors. So the silver in the frame matches kind of with the white in the jeans and the sneakers. For the third outfit, I'm really excited for this one. I just got this jacket. This is the classic Saint Laurent Teddy bomber jacket. Now this is definitely different from the previous one. This is much more upscale and more structured. So this jacket might look similar from afar, but it's actually really different. I think the materials are very different, and also you have like leather trimming details. Oh no, this is a really exciting jacket. I've been wanting this one for a long time, and I finally picked it up at a discount. And it's just a really nice upscale piece that you can wear with sneakers like Jordans. I got this in a classic navy blue color that I can wear over and over again. The navy blue, you can see some of those colors throughout the sneaker as well, but also really matches with the light blue. It's in the same blue color family. So I wanted to go with a navy blue jacket at the top to keep it darker, and then for the jeans, I went with the light blue jeans again to kind of lighten up the outfit. So you got this balance of like a darker top, but with a lighter bottom, and then the white sneakers that has both colors, the navy blue and the Carolina blue. Again, with the bomber jacket, I think it's good to find something that has the details with the black and white stripes. So the white really matches the sneaker. It just makes it so easy. This balance of like a luxury jacket with ripped jeans, you know, it's a nice balanced look. So it's sharp but also casual at the same time. So for the watch, I went back with the Movado steel band watch to really have that pop in the outfit. So I can see like the top overall is pretty dark with the jacket and the shirt, but the watch really pops out. Last but not least, I gotta have some fun with this. I gotta go with this white on white outfit. You know, it's the spring summer season, so white is definitely you're gonna see over and over again. So this one, I went with this white Zara trench coat I got last year. This is definitely one of my favorite because you don't see this kind of coat that often, and the white piece is just so bold and sharp at the same time. And of course, like, I want to bring some of that tailoring, that menswear touch to the Jordan outfits. Here it is, the white trench coat. Now if you look up really close, it actually has a pinstripe pattern that has white and gray colors. That matches really well with the elephant print on the sneakers, the white and the gray. I just want to keep the outfit clean. I don't want anything too crazy, so I kept the same navy blue t-shirt throughout all these outfits. Went with the white jeans to go white on white, and then just let the sneakers really match and go with the whole outfit. And then for the watch, I went with the navy Tissot watch again. This time just have a little bit more like blue pops in my outfit. So the blue in the watch matches my shirt and matches the shoes. And then for the sunglasses, I went back to the Tom Ford sunglasses, and I just love the reflective frames. It kind of matches with the white and the gray in the outfits and the shoes. So hope you guys enjoyed this early video on the Jordan 3 UNC. Please hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.